Know that moment when you've asked if a generic can launch, and suddenly you're buried in patent documents, hundreds of structures, overlapping claims, and no clear sense of where the risks really are. If only you could see the full landscape before spending days untangling it. That's exactly what Patsnap Chemical does. It's not just another keyword search, it's a tool built to help you navigate chemical space and make faster, safer calls on freedom to operate. Let me show you. First, I start with the active ingredient, name, structure, or smiles. Whatever I've got, I drop it in. Then I set the search scope. Using similarity search, I can explore compounds close to mine by adjusting the Tanimoto threshold. It's the easiest way to spot what could pose a problem. Once the results load, I switch to Chemscape. It turns a long list into a visual map, clusters of similar structures grouped by proximity. Upon examination, I can see where the patterns appear. I can quickly see what's crowded and what's clear. Next, I filter by regulatory approvals. One click, and I'm looking only at compounds already on the market or under review. From there, I can jump straight into the linked patents. In analytics, I filter for active or pending, and then narrow down to jurisdictions that matter to me. If I need to check any specifics, I search directly through the claims. Finally, I open the structure assistant. Every mention of my molecule in the text is highlighted, so I can see exactly how it's being referenced. No hunting, no guesswork. It's clarity from start to finish. Instead of piecing things together across 10 tools, everything is in one place.